guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is basically a Sunday reset video. I haven't done one of these before, so it was new to me, but it was pretty fun. I basically didn't have to prepare for this video because I'm just doing things that I would normally do just with the camera. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like you right.
So really quickly, I wanted to tell you guys about the Fetch Rewards app. The Fetch Rewards app is an app where you can upload copies of your receipts and receive points for all your purchases. You can later cash in your rewards points for gift cards. Right now I have 35,000 points, and if I were to cash in my points for a gift card, I could choose any category and let's take retail, for example. I could get an Adidas, an Amazon, a Bath & Body Works gift card if I would like, but I like to stack up my points. Make sure you guys check the description box for my link. I'm going to put my link below so you all can sign up under my referral code. And when you sign up, you'll get points, and I'll also get points for your sign up. And for all the online shoppers, you can also get your points through your online purchases as well. Just include your email address when you register.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We have it, that's all take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's all take you there, take you. but you're giving me
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. When you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate Tie. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your